Are you trying to decide between HSBC and Barclays? You're not alone. Many people wonder which bank is better for their needs. In this video, we're comparing HSBC and Barclays to help you make the right choice. Both banks offer a range of services, including personal banking, savings accounts, and loans. But they have different strengths. Let's start with HSBC. This bank is known for its global reach. It operates in many countries, which is great if you travel or do business internationally. HSBC offers various accounts and competitive rates for loans. Their online banking is user friendly too. Now, let's look at Barclays. This bank has a strong presence in the UK. It offers great customer service and a wide range of financial products. Barclays is also known for its innovative banking apps, making it easy to manage your money on the go. When it comes to key differences, HSBC shines with its international services. If you need to send money abroad or manage foreign currencies, HSBC is a strong choice. On the other hand, Barclays is often praised for its local support and customer care. Now, let's compare some features. HSBC has a good selection of credit cards and investment options. Barclays, however, offers excellent savings accounts with higher interest rates. Both have mobile apps, but Barclays app has more features for budgeting and tracking spending. In terms of pricing, both banks are competitive. HSBC may have fees for certain international services, while Barclays often has lower fees for local transactions. So, who should choose what? If you travel a lot or need global banking, HSBC is the way to go. If you prefer local support and innovative tools, Barclays might be better for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.